Last class continuation, copy method. Copy method to create a shallow copy of a given list object. Given list object. List object dot copy method to create a shallow copy of a given list object. Now observing very clearly. Taken as x equal to 5938. Now I want to create a shallow copy by using normal assignment operator. It is nothing but a hard copy. Z equal to x dot copy. This is nothing but a shallow copy. Okay. Now observing very clearly, x data, y data, z data is same. But what is the difference between hard copy and shallow copy? Now observing very clearly, address of x and address of y is the same. That is a hard copy. For suppose we can change the x data, y is affected. We can change the y data, x is affected. Next one, ID of z. Now this is the different memory location. That is the difference between shallow copy and hard copy. Whenever we are implement the shallow copy, just we need to copy the data, but it is creating a new object in the memory location. But in the hard copy, entire object will be copied. That means with address also. Next one, count method. Count method. Return the number of occurrences of given element in a list object. List object dot count of element. If element is not there, to return 0. If element is not available, to return 0. Suppose I'm taking as one list object, x dot count of n, x dot count of 20, x dot count of 30, x dot count of 40, x dot count of 50. Now return 0. If element is available, to return the number of occurrences 1, 2, 3, and 4.
So can you explain these once?
The count method to return the number of occurrences in our list object. Here I am taking as element 10. The count method to return how many number of occurrences of the 10 in our list. This is the first occurrence, second occurrence, third occurrence, and fourth occurrence. That's why to return the result is 4 times. If element is not available in our list, to return the 0 times.
Okay, understood.
Next one, clear method. Clear method. To clear the list object or to remove all the elements from the list object a time. List object dot clear method. To clear the list object or to remove all the elements from the list object at a time. Now x equal to list of elements. Now length of x. How many elements? 5. X dot clear. How many elements? 0. Okay, to remove all the elements from the list object at a time. Next one, extend method. Extend method. To extend the list object. To extend the list object with the elements of given iterable object. Given iterable object. List object dot extend of iterable object. To extend the list object with the elements of given iterable object. Completed. Now observing very clearly. Now I'm taking as x equal to 1, 2, 3, y equal to 4, 5, 6. Now x plus y. This is a concatenation operation. That means x data and y data is combining and to print the result. But x is not affected and y is not affected. This is a concatenation operation. Next one, a equal to list of 1, 2, 3, b equal to 4, 5, 6. Now I am using extend method, extend of b. The extend method take the 1 by 1 element from b, that element will be adding to a. To extend the list object with the elements of given iterable object. Now this is a one iterable object. Our a is extending the elements of b. What is the elements of b? 4, 5, 6. Now our a is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Previously, after performing the concatenation operation, our x is not affected. Our x contain only 1, 2, 3 and y contain 4, 5, 6. But after extend operation apply, our a is affected. Initially our a contain 1, 2, 3, but after apply the extend method, after now a contain 1, 2, 3, the elements of b 4, 5, 6. Next one more difference, a equal to or p equal to, I am taking as one list object 1, 2, 3, and the q equal to, I am taking as one string object. The concatenation operation is suitable for only two list objects. But here p is a one list object, q is a string object. Now p dot extend of q. The extend method takes the parameter as a which object? It takes the parameter as a iterable object. String is also one iterable object. In that situation, our list is extending of characters of string object. Now, what are the characters in our string object? S is a one character, I is a one character, V is a one character, and A character. Okay, this is the extend and the concatenation. Concatenation. is the example of concatenation. Extending, list extending. Concatenation is over. Completed. Next one, index method. Index method. To return the positive index of first occurrences of given element in a list object from left to right. List object dot index of element to return the positive index of first occurrences of given element in a list object from left to right. Completed. Now first one I am taking as a without duplicate elements. This is my list object. I want to find the index value of 10. X dot index value of 10. Now what is the positive index value of 10? From left to right, where is the first occurrence? This is the first occurrence. Now what is the positive index value? 0. X dot index value of 30. Now what is the index value of 30? X dot index value of 50. What is the index value of 50? 4. Index method always to return the positive indexes. The positive index is always starting from 0 from left to right. 0 means 10, 1 means 2, 2 means 30, 3 means 40, and 4 means 50. Okay, this is without any duplicates. Next, another scenario, I am taking as a duplicate elements. Okay, this is my list object. My list contains some duplicate elements. Y dot index of 10. Now observing very clearly in my list object, 10, how many number of times will be occurred? 4 times. But which 10 index value we are getting? By default, from left to right, where is the first occurrence of 10? This is the left to right. Where is the first occurrence of 10? This is the first occurrence of 10. What is the positive index value? 0. Or suppose y dot index value of 20 in my list, 20 will be presented 2 times. But which 20 index value we are getting? From left to right, where is the first occurrence of the element is available, that positive index value will be written. This is the left to right, this is the first occurrence. Now what is the value? 1. Y dot index value of 30. Now in my list, 30 totally 3 times is there. But which 30 index value we are getting? By default, we are going to left to right. Where is the first occurrence of 30 element is available? The 30 related positive index value will be written. This is the first occurrence from left to right. Now what is the positive index value? 2. My requirement, I want to find the second occurrence of 10 index value. How to find that one? Y dot index value of 10. Starting value, already starting position 0, 10 is available. Except the 10, remaining 10 index value I want to find it. That's why I am passing starting index value. Okay, after element, we are passing any one parameter, that is the index parameter. That means my requirement, I want to search in the 10 element. Which one? Starting from post indexing onwards. Post indexing means this is the post indexing onwards. From left to right, in my list, 3 times 10 will be occurred. But where is the first occurrence? This is the first occurrence. What is the positive index value? Positive index value 3. Y dot index value of 10 comma, already second occurrence where it is available 3. Now I am passing 4. The interpreter searching for 10 element from fourth indexing onwards. Fourth indexing means this is the fourth indexing. From fourth indexing to remaining list, where is the first occurrence? This is the first occurrence. That positive index value will be updating. Y dot index value of 10 comma 4 comma 6 I am passing. This is a starting position. This is a stop position. Stop value is excluded. Start value is included. Excluded means that index value is not included. That only before that index value we are finding. That means I want to searching for 10 element. 4. What is the 4? This is the fourth position. 4 to 6. 6 is excluded. That means only 4 and 5 will be valid. In that 4 and 5, 10 is available or not available? Not available. Now it gives the one message. In that 4 and 5 indexes, 10 is not available. For suppose y dot index value of 10 comma 4 comma 7 I am passed. Now 7 is a excluded value. The interpreter searching for 10 element 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. In these indexes, 10 is available or not available? 10 is available. What is the 10 index value? 6. Without duplicates. The duplicates. Without duplicates, with the duplicates. For suppose observing very clearly, every time we can finding the start value and stop value, and we can passing the start and stop value. That is a complicated. Now I am providing one dynamic logic. Write a program. Write a program to return all the possible indexes of given element in a list object. Write a program to return all the possible indexes of given element in a list object. Now observing very clearly. This is my list object. Y. Now take the element int of input of, enter your element. Okay. Now I want to take the one by one element. That element index value I want finding. That index element I want to print it. Observing very clearly for I in range of length of y. That means y contains index values. Okay, length of y means how many elements? How many elements? 10 elements. Okay, observing very clearly range of 10. Range of 10 means what are the I values? 0 to 9. 0 means 10, 1 means 20, 30 means 2, 10 means 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. That means I contains index values. Next one, if y of I, that means either y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, up to y of 9 is double equal to our element. Now I want to print index value. What is the index value? I. Print now observing very clearly. Now I am passing the element 10. Now 10 indexes are printed. Or suppose I am passing 20. Now 20 indexes are printed. Or suppose I am passing 30. Now 30 indexes are printed. Now observing very clearly. Okay, these are the indexes of y. Okay. Now here, my requirement I am passing the element is 10. My requirement I want to find the index values of 10. For I in range of length of y. In our length function, how many elements of y? Totally 10 elements. Range of 10. Range of 10 means what are the I values? I values are 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now observing very clearly, first I value is 0. Now if y of 0 is double equal to element. Now y of 0, what is the value? Y of 0, 10. Double equal to what is our searching element? What is our input element? 10. Now condition is true or false? 10 equal to 2, 10 true. Then immediately control will go to where? If block. The if block print of I. What is the I value? I value is 0. Now 0 is printed. After executing the print statement, control will go to outside the if block. Outside the if block, inside the for loop, don't return any logic. Again, control go to for loop. Take the next value. What is the next value? 1. Now y of 1. Y of 1 means what is the value? 20. Double equal to what is our element? 10. Condition is true or false? False. In that situation, control will go to directly outside the if block. Okay. Again, control go to for loop. Take the next value. What is the next I value? 2. Y of 2. Y of 2 means 30 is double equal to 10. Condition is true or false? Condition is false. Which one? Then immediately control will go to outside the if block. Again, control go to for loop. Take the next value. What is the next value? I value 3. Y of 3. What is the y of 3? 10 is double equal to 10. Condition is true or false? Condition is true. Control go to if block, print I value. What is the I value? 3. 3 is printed up to last element. That is the execution flow. One insert method. To add the element. To add the element into the list object. At any position. Or indexing based on our requirement. List object dot insert of index comma element. Previously append method to add the element at only ending of the list object elements. But by using insert method, we can add any position. Completed. For suppose here I am passing one index value. Already that particular index value element is available. That element is always moving to right side. Now this is my list object. X dot insert of element I am passing. How to adding the element based upon index value 0. Element I am passing 7. Okay, already this particular index value element is available. What is that element? 10. That element is always moving to right side. X dot insert of I am trying to adding one element at the index value of 20. What is the index value of 20? 2. One element I am adding 25. Already in that particular 2 index value element is available. That is element always moving to right side. For suppose I am trying to adding one element at the index value of 30, but I don't know index value of 30. In that situation, x dot insert of x dot insert of x dot index value of 30. Now here I am adding one element 37. Okay, first one, this index method logic is executed. to find the index value of 30. That index value is passing the value here. First one, x dot index value of 30 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now internally it will be working x dot insert of 4 comma 37. In that fourth indexing value, already 30 is available. The 30 is moving to right side. For suppose my requirement, I am trying to adding one element at the end position. Okay, in that situation, x dot insert of at the end position means already index values plus 1 we are using. How many index values are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next index value 8 we are taking. This is a small list we can find in the index values. Or suppose we can take the large list. How to find the index values? The index value, last index value, which one is less than the length of the given list object elements. That means how many elements are available? 8 elements are available. But what is the last index value? 7, because index value starting from 0. That's why simply we are using length of x. Length of x. Okay, length of x means 8 comma 43. Already there is no 8 index value. Only 7 index values are available. To create automatically new index value, that index value is already existed index value plus 1. For suppose we are passing one index value, but index value is not available. Automatically it is creating one new index. Automatically it is creating one new index. Which new index will is created? Already existed indexes plus 1. How many indexes are there? 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next index value means 9. Don't creating 100th indexing. It is creating already existed indexes plus 1. That means already existed index values are 8. 8 plus 1 means 9. It is creating one index value. That index value is 9. In that ninth position, 47 will be added. For suppose we can find the index value, x dot index value of 47. Now what is the 47 index value? 100 or 9? 9. For suppose x dot insert of, I am passing 10,000 position. Now I am adding one element to 41. Now it is creating a new index value or 10,000 index value. New index value, already existed indexes plus 1. Already index value is last index value is 9. 9 plus 1 means 10. One new index value is created 10. In the 10th position, 41 will be added. If you interest, we can find the x dot index value of 41. Now we are getting the output is 10. Completed. Next one, pop method. Pop method. To remove an particular element from list object based on index. Based on index. List object dot pop of index value. To remove an particular element from list object based on index value. Next one, by default, index value is -1. We cannot specify any index value. By default, it will be taken as a -1. Now observing very clearly, x dot pop off, I want to remove 20. How to remove the 20? We can pass the index value of 20. What is the index value of 20? 1. Now that element is removing. For suppose I want to remove 40, but I don't know index value of 40. In that situation, x dot pop off, x dot index value of 40. Now, first one, this method logic is executed. First to find the index value of 40, 0, 1, 2. Now x dot pop off 2. X dot pop. I am not specifying any index value. By default, index value is -1. -1 means 50 element is removing. X dot pop off. For suppose I am passing one index value 3. For suppose that index value is not available, pop index out of range. Completed. Next one, remove method. Remove method. Remove an particular element from list object based on element. Okay, previously same definition. To remove a particular element from list object here based upon index value, but here directly element we are passing. Which element we want to remove, directly that element we are passing. List object dot remove of element. Remove of element. In our list object contains duplicate elements. In our list object contains duplicate elements. In that case, the remove method to remove the only first occurrence of that element. Only first occurrence of that element. In our list object contains duplicate elements. In that case, the remove method to remove the only first occurrence of that element. Okay, x dot remove of. I want to remove 20. Directly we are passing 20. X dot remove of. I want to remove 50. Directly we can pass the 50. X dot remove of. Or suppose if element is not available. Now to return our message, list dot remove of x. X in the sense element. What is that element? 80 not in our list. Don't comparing this x. X is a list object. Here it is providing an error message, list object dot remove of x. X means element. What is that element? 80. 80 not in list. Without duplicates. Without duplicates. Here X means element. Not list object, element. In this scenario, X is a list object. Now I am taking as a Y equal to here my Y contains duplicate elements. Y dot remove of 10. Now it will remove only first occurrence of the 10. Where is the first occurrence? This is the first occurrence. The 10 millimeter will be removed. Y dot remove of 20. Only first occurrence of the 20 will be removed. Y dot remove of 30. Only the first occurrence of 30 will be removed. If you want to remove all the duplicate occurrences, we can return on one more logic. The duplicates. Completed. Completed. In next class, we will discussing remaining continuation.